This is the Canine3D application in Windows. I'll demonstrate the functionality required by the client. Clicking and dragging the mouse rotates the skeleton. Clicking on the bone zooms in. The blue squares represent points of interest. Clicking on a point of interest will rotate the bone so that it is facing the camera. Some points of interest have a more detailed description. Hitting B on the keyboard zooms out. Alternatively, you could use the directory to navigate. Most bones have a quiz attached. We will do the quiz for the mandible. After completing the quiz, you are able to see which questions were answered correctly or incorrectly. The 6 buttons on the bottom is view navigation. These are technical names of directional views in anatomy. You can take screenshots, which can be then seen in the gallery. Clicking on a screenshot will enlarge it. You can send screenshots in the current session to yourself. This is the Canine3D application in VR. The functionality is almost identical to the PC application. You can rotate, you can zoom. Zooming into an individual bone will display its set of labels. These are points of interest of that particular bone. Certain labels have a more detailed description attached to them. The directory can also be used to navigate through the skeleton. In virtual reality, the user can still do quizzes. Quizzes include multiple choice and extended matching. Screenshots can also be taken in virtual reality. The 6 buttons on the bottom allow the user to view the dog with the common directional vantage points used in anatomy. Finally, screenshots taken by the user can be seen in the gallery. Clicking on a screenshot will display an enlarged version of the image. This is the web application we developed to allow the client to import further quiz and description data after the project ends. It is powered by Flask and Python in the back-end and uses the Bootstrap framework in the front end. Here, the user can enter more descriptions for the points of interest. This will generate some code which can be copy-pasted into the relevant XML files in the application's assets folder. The Canine3D application will automatically read from the files and display the descriptions. The web application also has functionality to input quiz questions. Our application supports multiple choice and extended matching questions. The number of choices in each question can be varied. Similarly, copy-pasting the relevant XML into the relevant files will generate more quizzes in the application.